Hey guys, I have just discovered Lowe's is having the most insane power tool deal I've ever seen. They've both got Flex 24V tools on sale for ridiculous prices, as well as Skil 12V tools. So those are both made by Chevron, the same company that makes Ego tools. These are going to be pretty high quality tools for insane prices. So I'm going to link down below and we're going to walk through the best deals that I've found. So first up, you've got, if you search for Flex 24V tools, you've got a impact and drill kit with 2 batteries for $90. You've got a compact bandsaw for $60, and this is just if you search Flex 24V tools in their search bar. You've got an oscillating multi-tool for $80. You've got down here a circular saw, $80. Impacts, $70. Another impact wrench, $60 here. $40 for a brushless vacuum, $90 for a router, $80 for a reciprocating saw. You've got angle grinders down around $80. If you don't have anything in the Flex system, this is worth buying a starter kit to get into it. These prices are so low. You've got $80 drill kits coming with 2 batteries, $120 brad nailer, a $60 7 1/4 inch circular saw, $70 sanders, $60 jigsaw. All of these prices are absolutely crazy for what you're getting here. $160 for a framing nailer. So I don't know what the deal is, why Lowe's is having such a good sale on these right now. It doesn't look like they're on clearance, but these are just crazy good deals. So go pick some of these up. If you're looking for, professional level tools, Flex tools are going to be it. If you're looking for a homeowner, the Skil brand deals are even crazier. So if you just search Skil 12V tools, you can see a drill and impact kit with 1 battery is $50. So if you're looking for gifts for like a college student or someone just starting out, these are a crazy good way to stock up their entire garage with power tools. $30 for a jigsaw that works with those same batteries, same with a circular saw. $40 for a battery and their flip drill. You might say it looks a little gimmicky, but that's still $40 for a battery and a drill. $30 for a reciprocating saw, $30 for an impact with battery, an inflator kit with battery for $40, a 4 or 5 tool kit for $80 that comes with batteries. These are crazy good deals. $20 for a 12V ratchet. So if you aren't in the Skil system, but if you're looking for a light duty homeowner style of tool, these are great tools. I have their 12V auto hammer. It works great, holds up fine. If you're definitely looking for filling out someone's garage or your own garage for Christmas or the holidays, go check out these deals. These are crazy good. This light right here comes with a battery. It's $40. I'm going to put that in my cart because that's just a great deal and it looks like an awesome light. So overall, you just got to go check out these deals. So I'll go ahead and put links down below. Go check these out. There's almost definitely something worth buying if you're in the market for power tools.